Hi everyone, I'm super excited today because I just filmed a video about the Designs by Rachel Beth Cupcakes and Cocktails pan that I got, but mind you I have replaced these two colors that come in this watercolor set, and all the info and everything I talk through in that video, so I'm not going to be talking about it now, but just to let you know that video is coming next week. Today I just want to illustrate this little pan because I can't get enough of it. It's just so adorable. I absolutely love it. And yeah, there's also a little sample that Rachel included, which is this one, and it's the city sidewalks, so I'm going to use it. It's perfect color for kind of shadowing, and I will use it to create the shadows of the tin. So let's go. Okay, so here are here's the illustration, nice and dry. I decided to add a little writing here as well, and that is it. A nice little tin of watercolors, and I hope you enjoyed it and have a lovely weekend, and see you soon.